Hey guys, today we are gonna unbox the Logitech Max Plus keyboard and check my first impressions on it. So without further ado, let's begin. Hello guys, what is going on? It's me Joel. So I bought this keyboard from Amazon for 2700 rupees. I will link this product down in the description below the like button. Feel free to check it out. So now that's out of the way, let's unbox this thing. If you guys don't know what a mechanical keyboard is, and compared to a normal membrane keyboard, a mechanical keyboard is more durable. The buttons are also very tactile and clicky, and a mechanical keyboard is mostly used by typers and also gamers, as a lot of key clicks can be registered at an instant. Inside the box, all you get is the keyboard itself, nothing else. First of all, this keyboard is quite heavy. This weighs around 1.5 kilos and the weight is equally distributed all around the surface. The cable is a high quality braided cable and it is very strong. You also get velcro straps to manage the cable. The buttons on this thing is very tactile and clicky, as it should be on a mechanical keyboard, so that's that. Now let us plug this thing in and check out the backlighting. As you guys can see, the lights have a layered setup, blue, green, violet and so on. There are various modes for the backlight, 7 to be exact. You can change the mode by pressing the function key and any of these 7 keys. So that was my first impressions on the Logitech Max Plus keyboard. As always, the link for this product will be given down below in the description. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. So until next time, that is it. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.